In this video, you will learn on how to solve and graph linear inequality. Inequality is a statement that says one quantity is less than or greater than another. In other words, the quantities are not equal. So, pwede yung isang quantity ay mas mataas compared to another quantity, or yung isang quantity ay mas mababa compared to another quantity. In some cases, one quantity is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to another. Linear inequality is an inequality in which the variable is of first degree. Kapag sinabi nating first degree, the highest exponent on a variable is 1. Examples: x plus y is greater than 10, y is greater than or equal to 1/2, x is less than negative 2, 2x minus y is less than or equal to negative 5. So these are some examples of linear inequalities. Now let us solve and graph linear inequality in one unknown variable. Solving linear inequalities is similar to the method of solving linear equations. However, the solution set is different. The solution set of linear equations involve only a single value, while the solution sets of linear inequalities involve many values. For example, 5x is less than 2x plus 9. So let us solve for the value of x. So let us subtract 2x on both sides of the inequality. That is, 5x minus 2x is less than 2x plus 9 minus 2x. So 5x minus 2x, that is 3x. Then on the right side of the inequality, 2x minus 2x is 0. So what is left is 9. Then divide both sides of the inequality by 3. So that is now 3x divided by 3, then 9 divided by 3. So x now is less than 3. Then let us graph it using the number line. So if we use the inequality less than or greater than, we use an open circle. Since the inequality we use is less than, therefore let us use an open circle. So as you can see, on our number line, on 3 we have the open circle. So all the values less than 3 will be the solution sets of the inequality. We use open circle because 3 is not included on the solution sets. Meaning to say, 3 will make the inequality false. Then the values less than 3 will make the inequality true. Next, 5x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 3x plus 6. So first, let us subtract both sides of the inequality by 3x. So that is now 5x minus 2 minus 3x is greater than or equal to 3x plus 6 minus 3x. So 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, then copy negative 2. Then on the right side of the equation, 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. So what is left is 6. Then let us add 2 on both sides of the inequality. So negative 2 plus 2, that will be 0. Then 6 plus 2, that is 8. So that is now 2x is greater than or equal to 8. Then solve for the value of x, divide both sides of the inequality by 2. So 2x divided by 2, that is x. Then 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So x now is greater than or equal to 4. So if the inequality is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, then use a shaded circle. So graphing now, as we can see on our graph, we use a shaded circle. Meaning to say, 4 is included on the solution set. So all the values that is equal to 4 and that is also greater than 4 will satisfy the inequality. Next example, we have 3x plus 4 is less than or equal to 4x minus 2. First, subtract 4x on both sides of the inequality. So that is 3x plus 4 minus 4x is less than or equal to 4x minus 2 minus 4x. So 3x minus 4x, that is equal to negative x, then copy positive 4. Then less than or equal to 4x minus 4x, that is 0. What is left is negative 2. Then subtract both sides of the equation by 4. So that is now negative x plus 4 minus 4 is less than or equal to negative 2 minus 4. So 4 minus 4, that is 0. What will be left on the left side of the inequality is negative x. The negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. So we are not yet done on finding the value of x because x is still negative. So we need x to be positive. So divide both sides of the inequality by negative 1. Take note, when multiplying or dividing a negative number, the inequality symbol will change. Since we divided a negative number, then our inequality symbol will change. From less than or equal to, it will change to greater than or equal to. So that is now negative x divided by negative 1 is x. Negative 6 divided by negative 1 is 6. X now is greater than or equal to 6. Then, the graph now is this. Since the inequality symbol we use is greater than or equal to, then we use a closed circle or a shaded circle. Meaning to say that the values which is equal to 6 or greater than 6 is the solution set of the linear inequality. And for the last example, we have 3x minus 7 is greater than negative 13 and is less than 17. First, let us add 7 on all the inequalities. So that is now negative 13 plus 7, then 3x minus 7 plus 7, then we have 17 plus 7. So that is now 3x is greater than negative 6 and is less than 24. Then divide all the inequalities by 3. So that is negative 6 divided by 3, 3x divided by 3, and 24 divided by 3. That will now be x is greater than negative 2 and is less than 8. Then, graphing it now, since the inequality symbol we use is less than, therefore, we will use a or an open circle. So as we can see on the graph, the solution sets of the linear inequality are the values which is greater than -2 and that is less than 8. So x is greater than -2 and is less than 8. That is linear inequality in one unknown variable. Thank you for watching and I hope you have learned something.